today we handle it man to man.
They call me Riddle. Tired of getting up in pasta basin. There ain't enough time, I don't know how to space it. I'm struggling with women, I don't like to chase them. Forced to be alone, monsters are facing me. In a deep hole, but they critics listen. There's someone that I love and I really miss it. Straight to plate, empty gallons, probably sway. Wipe my face, chuck some beer, ain't going away. And I'm hearing weird noises. I guess I gotta make my choices. I'm too high right now. No, I will not go lay down. Veering off in the middle of conversation. Bitch kinda make me mad, tryna be persuasive. My mood won't be stable, fuck, I really hate it. Maybe these are reasons why I say I made it. And I'm hearing weird noises. I guess I gotta make my choices. I'm too high right now. No, I will not go lay down. I don't even like to sleep too much. Marijuana and some sex seem like healthy lunch. I love it and I love it, but I'm feeling stranded. Is it damaging? My card I ain't handing in. Keep it to myself, all there is pressure felt. Expecting you to melt, watching when the deal is dealt. I guess the old saying, life is just poker. I take pride in being deceived, and that's the joker. And I'm hearing weird noises. I guess I gotta make my choices. I'm too high right now. No, I will not go lay down. Oh, that shit cold.
Fuck with it?
That shit cold. Sprite, I hit that.